Everyone. In this video, we are going to see a magic with the help of Chat GPT and Canva. We are going to create 50 Instagram posts in 10 minutes. You will love to see this magic in front of your eyes. We will select 30 motivational quotes that we will find with the help of, let's make it 50 motivational quotes with name of authors, put in table with two columns. In the first column, put the name of the author. In the second column, put the actual quote. Okay, here you go. Just give the command, and here the magic starts. Brilliant. So now you can see the name of the author and the quote. 50 such quotes will come here, and then we'll learn what to do next. So here it is. I don't think the entire 50 list has come, so we'll give one of the command to continue and see if something is left. Yes, let's get all the 50 quotes this time, and then we are going to see what we are going to do next. So here it is. You have the entire list of 50 motivational quotes, which we are going to use to create 50 Instagram posts. This is the first step. Now, the second step is, now let's go to the second step, which is to open with Sheets. Here we go. We will select Google Sheets, click a blank Google Sheet there. We'll copy, here it is, and we will paste it here. The second lot, we will again copy, which is from here. We will copy it and we will paste it here. So now you can see it's more than 50 quotes. It's actually 56 quotes that have come. Now we'll name this sheet as 50 Insta posts. And this is a very important step which you need to remember. File, download, CSV file. This is important. Your file gets downloaded and saved on your hard disk. Now we will go to Canva. Now, in the second step, we are going to select Instagram post and we will select one template. Let's select this template. Let's remove the background from here so that we can do changes later on. Now, once you have selected the template, now let's quickly go to bulk create, which is here, upload CSV, select 50 post, and here you go. Now you need to connect data. This will have quote, so we will select quote, and this will have the author name. Connect data, author. Here it is. Now, once I click continue, you will see all the files will come here. 55 quotes. It hardly took less than 5 minutes. Generate 55 pages. Now, this is where the magic begins. Here you have it. All the 55 quotes lined in a simple manner just for you to post it every day. With the help of Chat GPT, Google Slides, and Canva, we have created this magic. The best way to predict your future is to create it. Let's see where this file is. Here it is. Now we'll go the last. The best way to predict your future is to create it. This is the last post, and here you have your last post. How brilliant, how good it looks. And I can customize each of these posts quickly. Just click here on the background, go to elements or photographs, click on motivation, and you will get numerous images. Just take the image and put it here. How beautiful it looks. Every quote looks so better. How easy it is. I mean, once you learn to do it for the first time, your life will become so simple. You can do anything with this. You can create 50, more than 100. It looks so good. Similarly, you can change the background of all the Instagram posts and look how beautiful and aesthetic they look. Then you need to put on download PNG or JPG, and just let me select PNG and download it. It will be downloaded in bulk. Here it goes. It's getting downloaded. I've changed the background for a few of the posts. You can do it for all the one. So let me go to the desktop and see how does it look. Here it is, bulk. Let me extract it. Wow. Just look at this. 55 posts created for you. How beautiful they look. You can change the background of all these. Even without changing background, it looks very professional. And just spending 5 minutes of time, you can get 50 quotes. How beautiful is that? So I want you to just subscribe to my channel. Click on the like button and share it with your friends. This is going to change the way you manage your social media.